Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Tons of snow. It's crazy, but it's melting, so that's good. And let's take a look in here. I guess I should turn this off so you guys can hear what I'm saying when I talk. All right, so I got this package that just came in the mail. Popped it open, and that's what I had in the package. One and two. So if you've used your Roxor for a little while, most people by now all have this problem where your pedal just tears through. See, it's falling apart. The brake is still on there solid, but the clutch, because mine is a stick shift, it's just totally torn apart. It didn't last very long, as you guys can see. So that's junk. But the good news is I have two of these brand new, and the feedback I've seen so far, it seems that these are very effective. And I'm gonna try to go ahead and see if I can install these, even though it's so cold out here. Seems to be the right size, as you can see. That should fit. It should be a tight fit, but with everything so cold, I don't know if I'll be able to make it fit. So anyways, I'll drop the camera down for a little bit and see if I can use both hands to get it to fit on there. Stand by. So we got the first one in. Now it's time to try with the second. I'm just gonna change the brake, even though it doesn't have any issue right now, just so that it's matching. See if I can get that off. I might actually need both hands. I will be back. So I got the first one, the brake pedal off. As you can see, it had some type of glue on there to hold it in place. Obviously that was off, and the way I put it, you see there's that little notch. I have the notch below and the pedal facing this way upward. I used a bit of hot water to warm up the rubber on the pedal, and that makes it more pliable. And for this I pull it all the way up, then I use a flathead screwdriver to get it started here, and I move to the other side, lift it up, and it pops right in place, and it's quite tight and snug. Okay, I'll use both hands and I'll be right back. And now I have the second one in place. As you can see, these are the old pedals. Brake, this is the clutch. It was totally damaged. The brake, not so much. And that's what the new ones look like. They fit really snug. I like the quality. It just makes the interior much more fresh and nice. So I'll put the link in the description below in case you need any of these pedals. They look really nice with on the Roxor. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.